Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with Nomberg Law Firm, and I'm stepping away from the law for just a minute to talk to you about something a little more personal. But May is my annual month for checkups. Eyes, annual physical. I go on the visit to the dermatologist I call Mole Patrol. I had my first colonoscopy last year at age 50. And the question that I'm posing to you is, do you really need to go for an annual physical? Now, granted, I'm not a doctor, but I do try to take care of myself. I try to eat right. I try to exercise as often as I can. But once a year, I try to also have these visits with my various professionals. I have a primary care physician, and he kind of is in charge of my care, and I really trust him. I hope that you guys have your own primary care physicians who you trust. Doing a little research, I have seen as recently as 2017, only about 1 in 5 adults gets an annual physical. And that really is not something that's a bad statistic, I think. And I know that as you get older, it's more important. If you're in your 30s, according to Duke Health, if you're in your 30s, you don't smoke and you have no disease alarm factors in your family, you should go every couple of years. If your age is 30 to 40, you probably should do this every other year or so. Again, it all depends on your family's histories. It depends on your own personal health, and it's also in consultation with your primary care physician. However, starting age 50, annual physicals really are a must, and that's when men and women should undergo, again, colonoscopies and repeat them as often as you're supposed to. There's many other types of testing that really should be done based on age specific and your categories of health. Those annual physicals aren't very hard. It's just you need to invest the time. I realize that a lot of people may be scared to go to the doctor because you don't want the bad news, and you kind of put your head in the sand, but they really do need to listen to your heart. Check your blood pressure. See if you have any other issues that maybe they can nip in the bud early on. Get your cholesterol and your lipids and all your lab work done. Urine screening also important. Make sure that your high blood pressure, your cholesterol, or your diabetes issues are all well in check. Again, I'm not a doctor, but if you're not going to go do this for yourself, consider doing it for the loved ones who really care about you.